If they could resurrect the best of me, I'd be a zombie, cause the rest is dead to me. Now what's this even meant to be? Alone with the microphone, with the will to hone my skills, with the smile alone to take these weaker kings off their throne. Chaos in this order to board us towards the border of the kingdom of freedom. Let's see them and show them how we beat them. How can I put two and two together for the better of humanity when it plans to be corrupted with insanity? Simple-minded fools thinking that you're cool, using faker tools to create some bull crap to make you full. This ain't no distraction, I'm calling back from distraction. Can you react with some subtraction with precision along division? How can I pretend this is going to be the end when we have nothing left to defend? A divine being will descend. Explicit or evident, how you split it, the evidence is still credited as heaven sent, so yours will put 7 cents. And since I spend and wasted my common sense on knowledge that's useless, I ask myself daily, why do I even have to do this? I wanted to prove myself, I'll lose myself, I do need help. Fighting poverty, wearing a black belt, and commonwealth. Oh true, come through you, if food crews do lose a screw or two. Who knew a blue moon would bloom till it came too soon? The industry still doesn't owe me, don't need mainstream trophies. Holding up my mic, call me a master of ceremony.